cable everywhere. Wi-Fi, TP-Link. Alright guys, this is the TP-Link Deco. It says here, it's fast stable everywhere. So it connects 100 devices and has dual band speed, expands anytime by adding more decos, works with all Deco models. So guys, I'm gonna show you what's inside. Inside has this, yeah, this is our receipt. We purchased it in flash shop at 99 euro. So this is the price. And inside has these two TP-Link devices that you can connect each other. One is for you can connect this in the router, and one is you can connect, you can place in the other house, which is nearby to your house. What's that? You want to place some? Just paper. Just paper, baby. And then I have two boxes here. So this is the adapter. I'm gonna show you this adapter. I'm not gonna show you anymore. It's just the adapter, guys. And then the second box here is this. Let's wrap it. Let's see what's inside. It's another adapter. Yeah, it's a power adapter, guys. And what else inside here? So you have this cable, and this is the TP-Link, guys. There's a manual as well here inside. This is the quick installation guide. So just read this, how to install, but it's really easy, guys, how to install it. And this is the TP-Link. This is how it looks like. So this is how it looks like, guys. It's really slim. Then there's a how do you call this socket? So it's very easy, guys. You just need to plug the adapter. This adapter, just get one adapter of this, and then where is the other one? Plug it to have power. I think one is receiver, and then one is the main. I think this is the main one where you can plug. It's the same. So this is the same. Where you can plug the? It's the same, I think. Where is the power plug here? You can see the power plug. But you can insert the. Don't have. This is the Wi-Fi connected, guys.